How to create and manage contacts in Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to create and manage contacts, you need to go to the contact section, tap on this contacts icon in the bottom right. Now from here, you can easily create a new contacts. Tap on this plus icon. If you want to import the contacts from any address book, you can select the second option. If you want to create a new account manually, select this add contact option. You can enter the contact details over here. You can upload their photo. You can enter their first name, their last name, their account name, provide their email address, their phone number. Once you are done, you can tap on this tick mark in the top right. And that's it. The new contact has been successfully created. If you want to manage this contact further, you can tap on this. You can add different filters. You can add notes. You can change their details. You can add different data into it later on. So that's it. That's how we can easily create and manage contacts in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.